Good evening, everyone. My name is Sumransh Datta. I am a student of Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology, IP University. I have completed my summer internship from Skyfi Labs. We were given an assignment to make a project. So I have made a movie recommendation system. Basically, a recommendation system is a system that seeks to predict or filter preferences according to the user's choices. Recommendation systems are utilized in a variety of areas, including movies, music, news, books, research articles, etc. We can use recommendation system, produce a list of recommendation system in two ways basically. First is the collaborative filtering, and another one is the content based filtering. The method I have used is the collaborative filtering. In the collaborating filtering, the approach builds a model from users' past behavior, that is, the items purchased or searched by the user, as well as similar decisions are made by other users also. This model is used to predict items, or I can say rating for item that uses yeah, that use sorry that user may have an interest in. So for this you have to download two files. I have given the link in the description for that. So then the first file, we would be having the movie ID, title and the genre. Movie ID is the unique ID for every movie. Title is the name of the movie. On the second file, there would be a user ID, the unique ID for every user who has rated one or multiple movies. Second is the movie ID, again the unique ID for each movie. Rating, a rating given to a user to a movie. And fourth is the timestamp. When was the rating given to a specific movie? Actually, timestamp for us is not important. So in the first step we will include some packages to allow using function, and we'll import pandas as PD. Next step, we'll get the data using the user ID, item ID, rating and the timestamp. Then the path, this is the link for the files of the movie and the title, as I said. Next, we'll check the head of the data. Using the head function, it will show the top 5 record in the data set. Also, you can see that we are using the pandas library in this cell, which we had called earlier. So next is we'll check out all the movies and their respective IDs using the another link. It will be given in the description. After that, we are merging two data variables. First is the movie title, and next is the movie's name, together by calling the merge function from pandas library on the column movie ID, and you can see the output according to it. Next step is to calculate the mean rating of all the movies, and after that we'll count rating of all movies. That for Star Wars, the total rating is 584. For Fargo it is 408. For Liar it is 485. And next we'll create a data frame with rating count value using the data frame function. Next step, we will plot a bar graph using the bar function of matplot library to get an overview of the data. We will import matplot as PLT and Seaborn as SNS. After that, we'll plot a graph of number of rating column. In next step, we'll plot graph of rating columns. We can see that the rating for each, and it is not given the names, but it tells the ascending orders goes up and down. This is the review, actually the review given by the users according to the movies. This graph shows that. Next step is sorting values according to the number of rating columns. We'll use the sort function for this. You can see it is going in ascending order, as I have written in the code also. Next step is analyzing correlation with similar movies. First, I have done it for I've selected two movies. One is the Star Wars and other is the Liar Liar. For similar correlation like Star Wars, you can see in the output the correlation and the number of rating. Like for Star Wars, correlation got 1 and number of rating 584. If we see for Empire Strike Back, correlation is even 0.74853 and the rating is 368. Then for Return of Jedi and so on it goes. We'll use a similar code for movies that are similar as Liar Liar. And the function we are using for the correlation is COR. Again we are using pandas library, and using this code you can get this following output. Thank you.